What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another drink review taste test video. I finally got another Mountain Dew flavor to show for you. This is Mountain Dew Baja Passionfruit Punch. It's their summer dews that they come out with in the Baja Blast line. And I knew about this flavor for a while. I saw some information about it on some of those Mountain Dew Facebook pages I'm a member of. And I know some people have been finding it for a little bit. It just recently came out. But this past maybe couple weeks, you've seen some here and there. And now I think it's available a lot of places now. I just happened to find it. I found it at a Publix. I found 12 packs and I found 20 fluid ounce bottles. I also saw this at Wawa too. Here it is. This is passion fruit flavor. I've been told I'm a very passionate man, so this is definitely down my aisle. Ooh. That smells really good. I think I smell the passion fruit. It kind of almost reminds me of fruit punch almost. It almost, yeah, it smells like fruit punch. What was that one fruit punch flavor? Mountain Dew. I forget at the moment. It was one that they had available at the Dew store about a year ago, and I bought some and I reviewed it. I forget the name of it. That's what it kind of smells like. Let's give this a try. Now, as far as I know, they do not have this in zero sugar, unfortunately. I gotta say, that is very good. It has like a blueberry grapish flavor. I think I do taste the passion fruit, but it's been forever since I had that kind of fruit. You know you're tasting the dew. You know you're tasting they have like that Baja Mountain Dew flavor in that mixed in too. This is very good though. I have to say, that is very nice. Sweet, of course, but it is regular. Dew with a blast of natural and artificial passion fruit flavor. Ooh, I like the cool artwork on the label. I did pick up the 12-pack of this too. But I thought I'd review the bottle first. Pop has a tendency to last longer in the can than the bottle, so it was always good to do the bottles first. I almost swear this has like a diety flavor to it too. You know, it's not diet. Very nice, I got to say. I do like that one. Last year's Baja flavors, they were good, but I wasn't too crazy about them. I thought the year before that was better. The year before that, they had almost like a pina colada flavored one that was really good. And then the next year, they did like a pineapple one. And it was okay. I liked it, but not nearly as good as the first year's. This is definitely an improvement over the last year. There's one other one I'm going to do in a separate video. That's very good. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. All right, let's get on to the next one. Yeah.